The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder takes the legacy of Porsche's hybrid supercar to an entirely new level, combining futuristic styling, jaw-dropping performance, and cutting-edge technology into a package that feels ahead of its time. At first glance, the exterior design is unmistakably Porsche, but with sharper lines, a sleeker aerodynamic profile, and more aggressive stance than ever before. The car sits low to the ground with sculpted curves that aren't just for looks. They're designed to enhance airflow, reduce drag, and maximize downforce. The large air intakes, revised LED matrix headlights, and lightweight carbon fiber body panels give it both a race-ready appearance and a sense of luxury refinement. Its active aerodynamics system, including a retractable rear wing, adapts in real time, ensuring maximum performance whether on city streets or on the track. Underneath the hood, or more precisely beneath its futuristic chassis, the 2026 918 Spyder blends a high-revving V8 engine with advanced hybrid electric motors, producing a combined output of around 1,000 horsepower. This allows the car to sprint from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds, placing it among the fastest production cars in the world. The power delivery is seamless, with the electric motors providing instant torque and the combustion engine adding raw power at higher speeds. Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures precise handling and remarkable grip, while the adaptive suspension and torque vectoring keep the car planted through corners. The 918 Spyder doesn't just excel in raw speed, it also offers impressive efficiency for a hypercar, with improved battery technology delivering a longer electric-only range compared to its predecessor, making it practical for short urban commutes without burning a drop of fuel. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a blend of luxury, sportiness, and futuristic innovation. The driver-focused cockpit is designed with premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents, creating a high-performance feel while still maintaining Porsche's refined style. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, showing everything from performance telemetry to navigation in stunning clarity. The center console is dominated by a large, curved touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Porsche's latest infotainment system, offering features like voice control, augmented reality navigation, and even track-oriented driving analytics. Despite being a hypercar, comfort hasn't been overlooked. The seats are sculpted for both long-distance drives and aggressive track sessions, offering perfect balance between support and comfort. The cabin also incorporates subtle ambient lighting and advanced sound insulation, making every drive feel like a premium experience. As for pricing, the 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder sits firmly in the elite supercar category. With limited production numbers, exclusivity plays a huge role in its appeal. Prices are expected to start around $1.5 million, but with customizations, performance upgrades, and special editions, the figure can easily climb beyond $2 million. While that places it out of reach for most enthusiasts, it